This is my brand new project, 1998 Honda Civic. Yep, it's a automatic D16, so bye-bye to everyone who gave a fuck. So with this car, since I got it for trade, I'm gonna be flipping this car to make some bank. So what needs to be done with it? The speakers don't work in it, the power steering doesn't work, and I want to take it off of these ugly ass steelies. Ugly ass steelies. Other than that, everything works beautifully on the car, so I guess we're gonna start with the audio, so jump cut to that. Alright, so we're gonna be starting, first step of this flip process is we're gonna inspect it and make sure, see what works, what doesn't work. So, I know for a fact the speakers don't work because that was a 2-hour drive of fucking silence. And exhaust leak, and there's an exhaust leak. So, the tweeters are dead, the door speakers are dead, and the rear deck speakers are dead. And we're gonna use these speakers I had laying around. We're gonna use these for the rears or the doors. And we're gonna take these apart. We're gonna use, I think I'm gonna use the big one for a rear. And then we're gonna use these tiny ones as tweeters if they work. So we're gonna test all that shit and see what we can do. Ryan! Hello. You're excited. You're running at this damn thing.
Dude, it's a Honda. It's a Honda Civic. It
nice.
Smells nice. It even looks nice. Let me see how this bitch sounds. Hell yeah.
Exhaust leak like a motherfucker.
Dude, this shit's a Honda. It's a Civic, bro. It's awesome. Wow. Dude, this thing's so fresh inside.
You see that? Did you check out the headliner?
What is this? What the fuck is this? What is this? On D16Y7. Because it's a DX on a 6th generation Honda Civic. D16Y7. I told you. How's the airbox?
I didn't look yet.
There is none.
Yes, they do.
Wait,
Yeah.
Are your headlights on or just like the parking lights? Okay. It, like wiggle the hiding stalk. Oh, those are the highs. Oh, dude, we're fine. We're good.
So took the tweeters out, and these bitches dead, and I don't have a replacement size, so we're gonna have to find one of those. And then these rears don't have speakers at all. At least we get like one speaker in tonight. I might have to go find some more speakers for the rear and the tweeters. Yeah, easy. Oh, okay. I didn't need to do that.
Okay, well, what brand is that?
Oh, I don't fucking know. Kicker branded. So let's go figure out why this doesn't work. So I figured out why the speakers don't work. We have two giant male ends, but if we look over here, we have a very small female end. So they have the wrong connector on. So we're gonna fix that, and then we're gonna have these beautiful bussing kickers, my knickers. And while we're at it, I know the tweeters were bugging, Brendan. But should we try? See if the
Yes.
tweeters work?
Yeah.
Why would it be having power? Hi, my nigga. I love you.
Well, I felt it on my leg. I'm like, what the fuck is that? Do not let bro sniff the oil.
Brendan, you want to help me on the side quest?
Just
Pop this cover off, like so, and then take out the speaker.
It's like he knows me so well. He knows I love side quests.
We'll get this shit off, and then we'll crimp everything together, and then it should just plug right in. YouTube, the problem with the tiny ones is that they're super tight, and you might fucking bend it by putting it in. So
Did you break them?
don't do that. So I always like to fucking try to jam a male end in like that, and then I just wiggle them, loosening it up like a fucking sophomore whore. Loosen that bitch. Cut that out. That's
unless you're talking about college sophomore.
Did you pull it? Did you look at the little tug? Ah, she's good.
fuck.
What? Did you break it?
Yes. All right, we got one speaker in. Hopefully. Do we have sound? Yeah! Well, now that one down, 3 to go.
You really rage at video games.
Not anymore.
Maybe I mean I'm probably just bad at the game, but like.
All right. We fixed the tweeter, by the way, so it's making noise.
This one is too.
Are you fucking serious? They didn't even fucking crimp it. I just slid both connections out. Oh, looks like they didn't fuck up this door card too much besides cutting it for some... Honda people, like, what is this? Like, did I catch a Puerto Rican's baby first? Are you recording?
Yes.
Good.
Dude, clip this.
Yeah, they just fucking absolutely destroyed this door card and then they fucked up all the audio for some reason. Like, I won't be surprised if the subwires in the back that clearly run under one of these, because there's nothing in the front. So, like, did they just not even wire it to the battery? Did they wire it to, like, some stupid... Like, imagine running, like, a 4-gauge cable to a fuse. Like, I'm just expecting some retarded shit at this point.
While we're here, what are your thoughts on SlammedenuffGAT?
Yeah,
I certainly
did, and it's really unfortunate, but, like, what do you want me to say about the car community? It's just cooked. We're done. The car community's over, and there's nothing we can do about it. We can't make enthusiasts. It's all about clout now. Right side should be completely good to go. Tweeter and kicker. Oh, it's terrible. Oh my god. See, the kickers, these need to be hooked up to a 4-channel amp so you can control how much they boom. Should I do this the right way or the ghetto way?
Ghetto.
Ghetto?
Ghetto.
Where are the zip ties? Perfect. Floating speakers. They're gonna be held up by 2 floating zip ties, and they're gonna...
I want to watch that shit bounce when you get the bass going. It's gonna yeah, it's a whole lot of nothing back here.
Yeah. Yeah, we got the front door speakers working, the front tweeters working, and we have no power to the rear speakers because, as you can imagine, they fucked up the connections. But I'm not gonna worry about that because it's fine. We got audio now. We got sound. We got bumps.
Check that shit out.
I think I'm gonna steal those kickers. I'm not gonna lie.
That's nice. Wheels?
Oh, next up, gotta fix the power steering and then wheels. Boom, ready to go. Easy flip.
Do you want to do an air filter? Fuck it.
Oh, that's right.
Or say fuck.
Maybe get a little air filter too, perhaps.
Find it hard to stay in touch. Baby, know I had you covered from the jump, but I guess you didn't want to upset. Pull me down to my